In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a StockX Order 2025. Step by step. StockX moves fast, so canceling depends on where your purchase is in the process. I'll walk you through checking your order status, canceling directly when possible, reaching out to support if you can't, and what to expect with refunds. Start by opening the StockX app or website and heading to Buying, then Orders. Find the specific order you want to cancel and check the status shown on that order page. If it says pending or awaiting shipment, there's a chance you can cancel. If it shows shipped, authenticating, or in transit, cancellation is typically not possible because the item is already on its way or being verified. Acting quickly here really matters as status can change within hours. If you see a cancel order button next to that purchase, select it, confirm that you want to cancel, and wait for the on-screen confirmation. Once it goes through, you should receive a cancellation confirmation and a refund back to your original payment method. If you don't see a cancel button, that usually means the seller has already accepted and is preparing shipment, and the system won't allow self-service cancellation at that point. When you cannot cancel from your account page, contact StockX support as soon as possible. Go to the Help or Support section in the app or visit help.stockx.com. Choose Contact Support or Live Chat to reach an agent. Have your order number ready, include the date of purchase, and explain your reason for canceling. Be clear and concise, and specifically ask if they can stop the order before the seller ships. Reaching out quickly can improve your chances, but remember that a cancellation isn't guaranteed once the order has progressed. If your cancellation is approved, expect a refund to the original payment method you used at checkout. Processing times vary, and the exact timeline depends on your bank or payment provider. It's normal for refunds to take a few business days to appear on your statement. Keep an eye on your email and your StockX account for confirmation messages and status updates. That's the process. Check your order status, cancel directly if the button appears, and if not, contact support right away with your order details and reason. With quick action and clear communication, you'll maximize your chances of getting the order stopped and your money returned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate canceling a StockX order.